What golden nugget of information do you have to share? A scorpion can hold its breath for 6 days, so don't think drowning it will help you out of your scorpion problem. If bees were paid the minimum wage, a jar of honey would cost about $200,000. The main reason we stop doing something we love is because we forget our love of doing it for enjoyment's sake and replace it with a desire to be good at it. A single spaghetti noodle is called a spaghetto. A moose can run 40 miles per hour through 6-foot deep snow. Armadillos give birth to 4 identical twins always. All colors of Fruit Loops have the same flavor.